Hi, welcome to my channel Trendy Hobbies. Today's recipe is curry leaves powder. The main ingredient for this recipe is fresh curry leaves and some spices. Come, let's start. First, clean the curry leaves with water and keep it on a dry cloth so that the cloth absorbs the water and leave it for overnight or for 3 to 4 hours. Heat the kadai on a medium flame, add oil, 1/4 cup gram dal, 2 tablespoons of urad dal. Roast until it turns light brown. Now add 1 tablespoon of coriander seed, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seed, half teaspoon of cumin seed and a pinch of fenugreek seed, small ball sized tamarind and fry until it turns aromatic. Now add 2 cups of curry leaves, seven to 8 dry red chilies and roast till the leaves turns crunchy or crispy, else the shelf life will decrease due to the moisture. Take this mixture into a plate and add half teaspoon of sugar, salt as per your taste, 1 teaspoon of roasted sesame seeds and keep it aside. Wait until it becomes cool. Now transfer it into a blender and blend it into a fine powder. Serve it as a side dish for idli, dosa or rice with ghee. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it. Don't forget to press bell icon to get more updates.